So today we have a 2017 Ford F-250, and what we're going to be doing is relocating and redoing the amplifier installation. Originally the job wasn't bad, it's just probably not your best location that you would want for one. It is a small amplifier. It just doesn't meet up to standard what we would normally like to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the amplifier right here where the factory amplifier would normally be if you were to buy one with the amplified Sony system. First thing we're going to do is Lazaro, gentleman over there, successful disease-free man, has already started stripping this down. We're going to build an amplifier rack out of aluminum and just kind of rerun everything. So yeah, stay tuned for that.
I like your booby shirt.
Alright, so what we're going to do now is we got our aluminum sheet, which is going to be where our amp now resides behind the seat of this 2017 F-250, and I'm taking this little piece that I need. I'm going to use the jigsaw to rough cut this, because you don't want to try to run all this through the router. It will get binded and stuck. You can really hurt yourself. So I'm just going to rough cut it as close as I can to the line with the jigsaw, and then we'll put it on the router and make our design. Alrighty, so as you can see what we've done here, we've got our aluminum bracket amplifier, and we're going to use factory bolt here and here, and we're just going to secure that down. Lazaro's going to finish up connecting all the wires to it, but it's going to be a much more secure and out of the way install versus just under the seat. Alright, so here we are. Lazaro is complete with his amp install. You see we got all our connections made. This is now mounted on an aluminum bracket out of the way. Seat will still be able to close up. The customer would not have to worry about it being on the floor and anybody kicking it, anything like that. Alrighty, so we are here today with Mr. Roy Howe and his 2017 Ford F-250. Now the reason he's here is probably not the best reason, right? Came to us, we did, upgraded the head unit, and I think that was great as far as that goes. But the amplifier, there was a little bit of issues on the previous installation, and it wasn't up to par with what we like to do here at VSA. So Mr. Howe was kind enough to not only show us what was done, but allow us to correct things and do things the way we expect them to be done here. So don't mind telling us what you found, what you saw, and
okay. Well, just running down the dirt road, went through some water, my feet got wet from under the dash. I couldn't figure out what the heck happened. So got out, looked, and you got a plug under there where things run through the firewall, and it was knocked out and just left there. And the power cable was just running through it. So it kind of threw me, popped the hood, and did. Unfortunately, I really lost my temper right there. Glad nobody was around for that. As you can see, they drilled into my damn fuse box. So I kind of filmed it for them, because gave myself a few days, and then brought it to them and showed them video. They got me right in to fix it, and they've done a great job. Done an excellent job. And then they ended up having to move the amp too, because it wasn't in a great place, but looks nice now. Sounds great.
And so that was the thing, I think in the early video you saw under the seat. There's nothing wrong with that, but in this particular case, it stuck out a lot. And we always want to go as OEM as possible, so that's what we did, put it where the factory would be. And again, I thank you for letting us correct the issue and the mistake we made, because not everybody's so kind, right?
You could have just came and yelled and went about your business, and we would have lost a customer forever. Don't want to do that. So I appreciate
I
it.
appreciate it. Thank y'all for getting to it.
Thank you.